Hi students, today we are going to discuss the algorithm Dijistra's algorithm. So Dijistra's is a single source shortest path algorithm. It can be applied to the weighted graph. Let's see how to do the Dijistra's algorithm. The procedure is it majorly used with the technique greedy technique, and it's proceed in the different stages. We can consider each and every vertex as V, and the smallest vertex distance can be calculated as distance vector dv, and path can be identified as path vector pv. Let's how the distance can be updated with the formula dw. The updated value is equal to minimum value of previous distance plus the current distance. Let's start with a small example. First, the v1 is taken as the source vector. Then how we are going to be make it as a tabular column. First, the vector can be formed as v, and each and every known vector initially taken as 0. The distance vector can be considered as infinitive. Initially the v1 is a first known source, so initially there is no connection between v1 to v1, so we can consider as 0. Then the path vector, there is no connection between v1 to v1, so we can consider as all path vector as 0. Next, v1 is a known vector here. So v1 is connected with v2 and v4. Then let's how to write this into the table format. v1 is written as 2 because you can know about that the minimum value of v2 is initially infinitive. Now the minimum value is 2 because previous value is 0 plus the current value is current weight is 2 through the path v1, so that we are mark it as v1 in the green format, green color. And next you have to write v4. How the v4 can be marked as 1? The distance, minimum distance of v4, previously the minimum distance is in infinitive, and then currently the distance is 0 plus 1. So this way we are writing v4 is equal to distance vector is equal to 1 through the path v1. Next, the known vector is v4 because v4 is the next smallest vector. So how the v4 can be created as v4 is created as less value, and let me discuss. v4 can be connected with v3, v5, v6 and v7. So how the v3 value can be written as 3. The minimum value of v3 distance, comma the distance of the current value of the v4, and along with the current path v4 and v3 elements. Now the minimum value, the previous value is infinitive. Now the current value is 1 plus 2 because the previous value of the v1 to v4 is 1, so we have to take it as count as 1. Then we have to rewrite as 3 is the current value. Next we have to write a v5 value. The v5 is connected with v4, and previously the v4 is connected with v1. Now the minimum value is infinitive comma 1 plus the current distance 2, totally the distance of source to the V5 is 3. Next, V6 value. Previously the V6 value was V4 is connected with the V1. Now the V4 connected with V6. 1 plus 8, the current value is 9. And also we have to mark all the updated path vector as V4. And V5 is V7 is connected with V4 through the V1. 1 plus 4, the now current updated value is 5. Next, the known vectors are V2. V2, when you consider with the V2, it's connected with V4 and V5. These values are higher than the previous value, so we can easily neglect this. Next, the known vectors are V3 and V5. When you come to the V3, V3 is connected with, V3 is known vector, V3 is connected with V6 and V1. The V1 value is already, the minimum value is there. So now we have to consider V6. This V6 value can be considered as 3 because V1 connected with V4, V4 connected with V3. Next, the previous value is 3. Again we have to add it with the 6. The minimum value of previous value is 9. The current value is 3 plus 5, that is 8. So that we have to take the 8 as a minimum value. So we have to update with the distance vector as 8 and the path vector as V3. The next smallest vertex is 7, V7. Now the V7 is known vector. This known vector is connected with only the value V6. The previous smallest value is 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then the V6 have the link with the V7. The current value is 1. So that previous value is 8, comma the current value is 5. That is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1. So we can rewrite the 6 is the minimum value. So we can update with the distance vector as 6 and the path vector is V7. So finally next value is V6. V6 is don't have any connection with the other vertexes. So we can stop the steps. Let's we discuss about the V1 connected with V2 with the distance, minimum distance value 2. Then V2 connected with V4, the minimum distance value is 1. Then V1 connected with V3, minimum distance is 3. Then V1 connected with V5, the minimum distance is distance vector is 5. Then the V1 connected with V6, the minimum distance vector is 6, and the V1 connected with V7, the minimum distance is 5. So we can complete Digistra's algorithm here. So if you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe and also click the bell icon for the further update. Thank you.